There's a time that I was so tired from training and everything. And then I think we were making love at the time. Nakatulog ako. As in, nakatulog ako. As in, tulog.
OMG, Rico! Habang
then-
nakapatong siya sa'yo?
And then,
Siya yung nakapatong.
And then,
Siya yung nakapatong.
Nagkakaisa na akong dalawang diva artist na to,
Rico Robles, Hot Babe Cherie, and Phoebe Walker. It's too hot for podcast. It's too hot for podcast.
Too Hot for Podcast is recorded live in front of a studio audience.
This episode of Too Hot for Podcast is brought to you by Embassy Whiskey. Chill muna tayo. For 18 and above only. Drink responsibly. Okay, these ladies are just dancing their little TikTok dance. But I know it's hot. It's really, really hot outside. And it's summer, fresh off of the resort
Yes.
that we came from. But now we are back here at the home base, here at Noir by Isom. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, my name is Chico Robles.
I'm Cherie.
I'm Phoebe Walker.
And this is
Too Hot for Podcast!
Uy, dumami na yung studio audience natin. Plus
Nadagdagan
3.
tayo,
Oo,
nakatatlo.
so ano na sila? 8. Yeah, we're still live. You know, heat of summer, Coachella fever. Everybody's hyped
Ikaw
up
talagang
about it.
no? Talagang
Oo.
si
Very
Rico,
proud.
no?
Oh,
Talaga,
very
naman.
proud. Imagine mo, sabihin mo sa Coachella, Coachella, mag-ingay. Diba? Namang mall show. Diba?
Yeah, why
it's just
not?
one of those things that keeps summer hot, you know? Well, speaking of keeping summer hot, you know, there's some new dishes that we gotta try here.
Yes.
At Noir, time for Too Hot Tries. Too Hot Tries.
Pwedeng ibalik yung Dubai chocolate. Na-stuck
we
ako
go.
dun, no?
This is called...
Uy, what is this?
What's it called?
Shrimp tagliatelle.
Okay,
Ooh,
shrimp tagliatelle. I think it has squid
Tagliatelle?
ink, pasta,
Yes, it is.
shrimp.
Uy, para siyang masarap,
I love everything seafood.
Okay, so all the chefs here. Hi, Chef
Uy.
Jolo.
Thank you.
Shout out.
Hi, Chef
Ladies
Jolo!
Thank you, Noir, by Isom.
Thank you, Noir, by Isom.
Trying it out. Don't forget to head on over here, BGC, Forbes Square. Is it Forbes Circle? Forbes Square?
Burgos Circle.
Burgos Circle.
Yeah. Sarap talaga. All the food here is so
cheers.
good.
Wala nang cheers.
Wala nang cheers!
Dapat may tagliatelle ka.
Gutom.
Okay.
Ang sarap.
Yeah.
Puro ganun yun na.
So what's this called? Tagliatelle? Why is it?
Tagliatelle.
What's that mean?
That's the pasta.
Basta
That's
yun
the
na
shape
yun.
of the pasta.
So, it's a Tagalog speaking Italian. Tagliatelle.
tagliatelle.
You like
That's
what
the
I did,
shape
huh?
of the pasta. Tagliatelle.
It's good.
Sarap pa.
It needs lime or
this
lemon.
is the pasta.
It needs to have lemon because it's summer. Give you a citrusy feel. But it's delicious. And our
Yummy.
camera
So good.
people and our people at the back are craving for it. Like
They're waiting.
They're waiting for this.
they're waiting for this to, you know. But it's
so
good.
good.
It's good. I recommend this. I give this about a 9 out of 10.
Sarap.
Yeah. Oop, I didn't.
Is shrimp tagliatelle nero kasi.
May Nero.
Nero.
Kalimutan natin yung Nero. Robert,
Shrimp
Robert Bisaya.
Shrimp tagliatelle Nero.
Robert.
Robert De Niro.
Hindi, Robert.
Robert Nero.
Yeah,
very
because,
good.
Because of the squid ink, that's why
it's
it's
so good.
Okay, but it's so good. I gotta take it away from you girls. Okay, with the power of television. Oh, di ba? That's magic.
Iba yung ginawa ko.
As usual, you know. But yeah, so it's very, very interesting because, you know, summer, it entails summer love. Yung mga balikbayans na pumabalik, holiday season or summer season. Pero, you know, traditional values. I mean, are you traditional?
When it comes
No.
to dating.
Yeah.
No,
dating.
depende.
Would you meet somebody on the app? Mga ganun.
Sa app, I've tried it, but I feel like they're just gonna kill me. Parang feeling ko lahat ng namimit ko sa app, mga killer.
Yeah.
Ano ba yung nilalagay
Yung
mong
imo-murder
status?
ako.
Ano ba yung, what would make you swipe right? Pag ganun.
Pag gwapo.
Kasi nakakatakot pag baka hindi yun yung picture niya.
Alam mo, nangyari,
Alam mo yun?
alam mo nangyari sa akin
Yeah,
yun. Kasi when I was
catfish.
in the US, syempre hindi ako pwedeng mag-up dito. Kasi syempre nakakahiya, makikita ako dun.
Uy, si Cherie.
Uy, si Cherie, nasa dating app.
pinatangkad ako nito.
Desperada na yata to. Alam mo yung ganun. So, nung nandun ako sa US, nag-try ako. Oh my God, wala rin. Hindi rin siya naging successful kasi parang yung iba, yung mga nilalagay nilang picture, bata pa sila.
Yeah. Yun pala.
So, ang
no?
gwapo, parang, uy, pwede to, gwapo. Tapos biglang pag na-meet mo in person, oh my God, parang ano na sila, ugod-ugod na. Hindi na nila kaya yung
You're
round, yung 10 rounds.
Yeah. Hindi yung
Ganun.
picture niya
Boxing
sepia.
ba yung nilalabanan mo? 10-rounder. Okay.
Oo. Ganun.
How about you? I mean, without knowing me first.
Dating app?
Have you ever
dating
done
app?
the apps? Have you ever done that?
No. Hindi eh. I
Hindi
tried
rin eh.
din once. Tapos I nag-chat. But then, yun nga, takot ako sa catfishing.
Kaya nga, feeling ko,
So, hindi ko
tsaka
siya
feeling
ginawa.
ko parang killer sila. Yung, pag nag-date na kayo, parang feeling ko ima-murder ka after.
Then
Yung
what you do
ganun.
is you look for a mutual connection, right?
Hindi eh.
Kasi
Pero
ako, I tried it. But then when I tried, kasi my neighbor installed it, tapos premium ka, para
Neighbor
ninja.
daw.
Oh, neighbor ko. Si Chef Jolo, tsaka si Charlene. Ay, yung mga yan. So, inan ako, tapos premium, kasi parang hindi ka makita, di ba? Tapos bigla nang nag-swipe ako. Sabi, oy, match, ting! Can you greet me?
sabi sa iyo, yan, hirap talaga.
Nagpapabati
Hindi,
lang.
tapos nung tinry ko din yun, nakikita ko yung mga yung mga kaibigan natin, di ba? Tapos may isa pa akong nakita doon, girl.
Sino to?
Jowa ng kaibigan ko.
Oh, wow.
So, eto na.
Na
Sabi ko,
supposedly sila pa rin.
oo. So, sabi ko, girl, naging chismosa tuloy ako. Naging tigahuli ako ng mga kaibigan ko.
Would you tell your
Yeah.
friend? You would?
I would.
Yeah.
Pag kaya mag-ingat ka, huwag kang magloloko. Kasi
Hindi, kunyari,
kay Bibi,
kung yung friend mo yung naglolo ko, would you tell the jowa na hindi ka masyado?
ay, hindi. Bilis agad. Hindi, joke lang. Siyempre, pag sasabihan ko yung friend.
Konsentidor tong si
Gusto ko ito eh. Okay. Okay yan. Okay. Lalo na mga June, July. No?
Hindi, pero siyempre, ayokong mangyari sa akin yun, di ba? I'd rather know than to not know. So, I'd rather my friends tell me pag meron silang nakikitang hindi maganda.
Okay.
Para alam ko din.
No, what the feature I like is my friend kasi akong nagtitry maghanap
Yeah.
ng afam kasi ang type. So, sabi ko, mag-ano siya, di ba may parang you can change the geographic location
Yeah.
Wow, really?
of yung mga kachat mo. So,
Hindi
pwedeng
ko alam.
taga-states. Oo, may ganun. Magpi-premium ka daw. So, yun, try nyo.
Magda-download nga ako mamaya. Charot.
Lagay mo.
Yeah.
What
Para
part of
may
the US?
May certain
Pero parang
geography lang.
feeling
kaya.
ko pag dito ka mag-Bumble or Tinder, no? Dapat yung mukha mo, yung side view lang.
Yung ganun. Yung banks lang dapat.
Ganun lang.
Yung mga casual shot lang.
Oo, kasi pag nakaharap ka talaga parang, uy, si ano to ah. Ganun.
Well, we're gonna test your wits on this one. Kasi, it's all about, we're gonna play a game. Have you guys played Never Have I Ever?
Yeah.
Because I haven't.
I love that.
So,
Parang lahat yata I have. Hindi, joke.
So we're gonna play a game. Let's bring in our Never Have I Ever jar.
Ooh, our very social jar.
Yeah, there you go.
Dumadami ang jars na
Lumalaki na.
on
ah.
the podcast.
Popcorn
Siguro
jar.
kumain
Thank you,
tong
Gordos.
jar na to. Kumain tong jar na to ng
Microwavable.
spinach.
Yan.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, and we have an exciting drink to try.
Okay,
as well.
wow. They're telling me it was smooth and chill. So
Oh.
let's see. I'm guessing it's a whiskey.
I like smooth and I like chill.
Oh, this is reminiscence of our Whiskey Live episode.
I know.
Okay.
Oh my
OMG.
gosh.
If you haven't
I
seen
love
it yet,
whiskey.
look at the previous episodes. You could see how much fun we had when we were doing the whiskey
Hindi ko na
episode.
alam, hindi ko na maalala ng mga
Right.
pinagsasabi ko dun after.
Iba-ibang notes and woods and all that. Okay,
Yeah.
so
No, whiskey hits different, right?
Yeah.
so we're gonna pick one and then read it and then share a story. All of us will share a story each
Okay.
round.
So if you agree, if you've done it, you drink.
Okay.
But
You
if
drink.
And then we have to
If you've done it.
Kung sumasang-ayon ka sa nakalagay
Okay.
Lalim.
sa
Wow.
papel,
From the
Sumasang-ayon.
British.
You have to tilt it
From
like
the
that,
British
yeah.
girl.
and if you haven't done it, no drink. Okay. So
Okay.
You're helping me break
Iinom
my...
kaya ako?
I'm about to break a streak, right? If it
Yeah.
happens.
So of course, the questions are related to the topic, which is dating in the Filipino conservative bubble. Okay?
How I missed you.
Okay. I'll try it.
Me
I have it
first?
Phoebe goes first.
Okay,
Phoebe.
okay.
Game.
Never have I ever dated someone my family would 100% disapprove.
Oh my God.
So if I agree, I drink.
Ano yun? Yung ayaw ng parents natin.
Oo.
Okay,
Yeah. Oh my God.
Rebelde
Cheers,
ako.
guys!
The streak ends today. Oh, geez.
Okay.
Definitely.
Let's go.
I missed you.
Smooth nga. Walang
Lovely.
sabit.
All right, next.
Walang kabit.
Walang sabit.
Okay.
Smooth na smooth. Diretso sa throat. Oy, ibang
We
throat.
make kwento?
We may kwento. Oh my
Okay.
gosh.
Shucks.
Hala. Sisikat siya.
Disapprove o game? Sige, you go first, Bibi.
Okay. I
Ako
don't
ba?
know.
Inapprove?
Si Rico daw.
Alam mo ba, I told this story already, no? When I first met her, tinawag ba naman akong nanay niya, Sanggano.
Sanggano.
Mukha ka naman talaga
Eh,
kasing
nag-ahit
sanggano.
na ako, no? Nagpa-facial pa. Hello.
Kasi yung truck niya laki-laki, di ba? Tapos,
Tsaka yung ulo niya.
oo.
Sabi mo naman saan?
Tapos yung lakad niya,
Ay,
everything.
Anak, mukha siyang Sanggano. Sabi ko.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, I go.
Gusto ko yung gano'n.
So, kaya
Pero
kong,
sa totoo lang, umiiyak si Rico, no? Nakita ko na siyang umiyak eh.
kaya kong
Ganun siya.
paglaban. Hindi ako, natulog ako noon. I was out.
Yeah.
So tell us your story.
Well, my dad kasi is very, very celoso and protective. So I don't think he's ever approved of anybody I've dated or I've introduced to him. Like, wala talaga siyang type.
Feeling ko naman yung mga tatay ganun talaga.
Oo.
Wala
They're just
talaga
being
silang
dads.
ina-approve.
Wala
diba?
talaga.
They're just being fathers.
Yeah. So, but it's okay, like, for now, for Rico, no? Parang,
He has no choice.
at least may challenge si Rico.
Yeah.
Hindi yung everything is smooth. Gets mo? Parang meron siyang kailangan pang, I don't know.
Patunayan.
Patunayan.
You know what it
somehow.
is? Your dad and I gotta chill some more. When we chill together, we watch some good football.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
That's gonna
But you have to
plan.
understand the rules of the football.
Yeah, I don't know how to watch.
All right.
I have to
let's hear
start with
All right, you,
calling
you.
it football and not soccer.
You. Yeah, we all have to answer ba?
Oh yeah.
lahat. Okay.
Ako yung everybody that didn't, yung di sila boto. They were cousins kasi. Like there's one that I dated.
Oh, that's
Parang first cousin sila. And then years later, I ran into the cousin and then we ended up dating.
Oh.
And then family reunion, sinama ako. So my dad was like, wag yan. My mom was like,
Wag
oh,
yan.
can we do anak? You know what I mean? They're all just like that, you know. But then, yeah. So that one, I mean, it's a learning curve. So,
Tama naman.
Pero I think naman, you know, parents are always right, no? Like for me, I also had the worst experience
Nasarapan
ever.
ako, sorry.
When I was in the US, I dated someone. And then, he seemed so nice when I first met
Artista?
him. Hindi. He was a stranger. Not stranger! Hindi, pero pumunta siya sa amin. And then my mom didn't approve na talaga sa kanya. Kasi he was super younger than me. Ang tigas ng ulo ng lola mo. So, patuloy pa rin. Hala, I did a show. In the US. And then, syempre, when you're singing, you have to sing to the audience, di ba? You have to like, and then I was singing, I put a spell on you, dun sa isang audience. Alam mo, after nung number ko, pumunta ako sa backstage, nagbibihis ako, sabi yung ganun, what the fuck? Why you fucking sing to that fucking guy? You wanna fuck that guy? Tas, syempre yung nanay ko,
Is that guy Italian? He sounds like I'm gonna whack you.
syempre yung nanay ko, di ba, nandun yung nanay ko sa harapan, tas nakikita siya ng mga tao.
Filipino? What? Filipino. Oh,
Hindi
parang-
nga,
Ah.
Italian nga.
American siya. American-Mexican.
American.
What do you wanna fuck that guy? Gumaganon. Sabi ng nanay ko sa akin. Sabi ng nanay ko pagtapos ng concert ko, hiwalayan mo yan. Hiwalayan mo yan, hisil. Kasi pag hisil na yung tawag ng nanay ko, galit na yun. Oo, talagang, hiwalayan mo yun. Ayoko yan.
Parang si
Ayoko
Joe
yan.
Pesci yung ini-imagine kung dinedate ni Cherie.
Diba? So yun yung story ko.
I don't know, somehow kasi kapag disapprove yung parents, I don't know about
Oo,
you.
nafe-feel nila.
Hindi ako parang somehow parang mas gusto, parang nagre-rebel inside of
Yeah,
me,
and
sort
then
of wants to prove them wrong.
Oo, and then you know the ending, tinutukan ako ng baril nung guy sa ulo. Yeah. So I was like, my God, Lord, makalabas lang ako sa situation na to. I promise talaga. So the next day, nung nalabasan ko nga yung situation na yun, pagtungtong ko sa airport, talagang, oh my God, tama talaga si Mami.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So,
Mothers know best.
parents, tama sila.
Yeah.
Kids, listen to your parents when they feel like hindi right for you,
Yeah.
don't do it.
It's true.
Diba?
It's true. It's true.
Yeah.
My turn?
More to your turn.
Jeez, we're digging the bowl here, huh?
Buti na lang. Buti na lang.
Buti na lang buhay
Buti
pa
na
ako. Nandito na ako
What else,
ngayon
you
sa
know?
Too Hot for Podcast.
You won't be doing Too Hot for Podcast.
I know, right?
Send them the episodes.
Diba?
Piss him off.
What the? You wanna fuck that guy?
Never have I ever
Kaloka.
changed a contact name to something innocent.
Change to something innocent.
So, para hindi makita na yun yung tumatawag? Ay, ako dati.
Oh, go na. Go. Guys.
Ako,
Grabe, dami
wala.
ko pala experience in life, no?
Shuri.
At the age of 24 ever.
Ako
Charot.
wala. Ako wala din.
Ako wala din.
Ako meron.
Oh, yan.
Nung ano.
Mama.
Feeling ko siya talaga makaubos dito eh. Okay.
Isa pa. It's so smooth. Yeah.
Okay.
So, at that time, kilala mo yun, friend
Sino to?
mo yun. Yung siloso mong friend.
Parang kilala ko din.
Oo, yung siloso mong friend.
Sino
Siyempre,
yung matangkad o yung...
yung siloso mong friend, yung
Ah.
pinakausap mo sa akin.
Ah.
So, at that time, check niya lagi yung telepono ko pag may pangalan ng lalaki. Pag may name ng lalaki, binabasag niya yung phone sa harapan ko.
What?
Girl, oo,
Violent
ganun.
naman.
In behalf of my
As in-
friend, I apologize.
I know, but long time ago naman na yun. But yun lang yung experience ko. And then, syempre, may naglagay ng number sa phone kong ganun. Yun yung ex ni Mahal dati. Pero they're both
Si-
not
si
in
Jimboy?
on earth na. Oo.
Si Jimboy?
So, pinalitan ko yung
Namatay na ba si
pangalan. Oo, di ba?
Rest in peace. Cheers, cheers.
Yeah, rest
That's,
in peace.
uh,
So, kumbaga
Hindi ako
parang...
na ganun. Hindi ako ano.
Cheers to Jimbo.
Para lang makainom eh, no? So, parang yun, chinange ko yung pangalan para ano...
Para hindi magsabi.
Para hindi magselos. Para hindi mabasag yung telepono ko ulit.
Grabe.
Grabe
Girl,
naman.
naman yung mga dinidate
So
mo,
instead,
scary.
Pero hindi naman iPhone yun, no? Mga
instead na
3210
Jimboy,
naman yun.
nakalagay mahal.
Mahal?
Oo.
Mas magagalit yung mahal, di ba?
Hindi,
Mahal
si
mo?
Mahal.
Ah, yeah, I know, I know. May you rest in peace.
Yun, yeah.
Yeah, but okay. Wow, I didn't know you went to that level.
Hi, friend.
How are you?
Yeah.
You know,
Okay,
you're
my
invited to
turn.
wedding, but you
My
know, Cherie will be
turn.
there. So.
Aha. Phoebe. I like Phoebe's ano. Okay. Never have I ever said, this is the last time, but did it again anyway.
Of course, all of us.
Lahat naman tayo eh. Ay, binalik ko, wait
Kaya I
lang.
don't like to say never. Kasi nga,
Yeah.
never say never. Diba?
Ano yung Justin Bieber? Karate Kid? Never say never. Hindi, kasi ano
Yeah.
yun eh, di ba yung mga pag-breakup sex na gano'n yun, di ba? Yung parang, okay,
This is the last time.
we're
Kunwari,
breaking up.
kakain ka ng gummies. O anything.
Kala ko ano yung
Anything.
kakain.
Alam mo ako sa alcohol, yung parang pag sobrang hangover ka the next day, tapos sumusuka ka pa, tapos sasabihin, hindi na talaga
Hindi
ako
na, last na
iinom.
talaga.
Tapos,
The next
few
day.
minutes later.
What'd you
few
do
minutes talaga yun.
Chillin'.
A few minutes later.
Because it's smooth. That's
Eto
what we're
na
chilling.
naman, because it's so smooth.
Okay, here we go. Never have I ever had a whole fake itinerary in case I get questioned.
Saan ka galing?
Ano?
Ito.
Fake itinerary.
Ganon. Parang makeup line, no? Yung itinerary na, ay, galing ako dito. So, punta ako ng grocery, the white line.
Today, kaya ako late. Hindi, joke lang. Totoo yun,
I
totoo
never.
yun.
I don't have.
Cheers, cheers.
You have? You have?
Yeah.
I'm bad at lying.
Ako din.
So,
I have.
but
Girl, naubos ko na.
So,
Hindi. Okay, kwento ko dyan. My mom kasi, super, super strict.
Yeah.
So, kahit wala naman talaga akong gustong gawin, gusto ko lang tumambay with my friends or with somebody, you know, kailangan, kunwari, may purpose.
May ginawa ka.
Oo, may purpose talaga na valid. So yun, sometimes I'd make it up.
I'm a bad liar, so I don't even try. I just go, well, it happened. It is what it is, you know. Amin na lang. Mag-away na lang tayo. Okay, pero okay. It is
Ako yung,
what
uy,
it is.
pasensya ka na kasi galing ako sa ano, no? Tas yung Instagram page mo, naggagano.
Oh, nagsistore.
Oh, yung parang, akala ko ba kaya ka na late, pero yung Instagram mo, fuck. Kung ano-anong
To
ginawa.
me, TikTok.
Kaya pala na late TikTok ng TikTok.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
Diba?
Is it my turn?
Your turn.
Yeah, your turn.
Okay. This is how many rounds? One more round?
2 more picks.
Never have I ever I ever felt that boys are allowed to date freely but girls get questioned.
So sa guys, okay lang kahit sino. Si girls,
Yes, I'm guilty of that. One breakup of mine happened because of that. Gusto niyo malaman? Laman yun. Ano yun? Ang kwento nung kasi.
Cousins din?
Hindi. Kasintahan. Noong time na yun, I would ask always, is there anything that I need to know? Like, dating relationship, yung passing, yung dating discography.
Yeah.
Aalamin ko yun.
like yung tinanong niyo sa akin yun eh.
So,
May
nung
spunky
time na
ka ba?
yun,
Gusto ko yung yun ang tanong, di ba?
kasi parang
Paano pag sinabi mong oo?
if I find out you have slept with somebody connected to me, I would feel awkward. Nakipag-break ako sa kanya nun.
The guy was close to you.
Yes. So I found out they had a history before, but she didn't tell me. So for those asking ano yung cause ng breakup na yun, that was the cause of the breakup. Uy, first time to reveal this.
Sino ba to?
Sino to?
Kilala mo
Ibulong mo.
friend mo yung girl.
Oh!
Na yung sinasabi
Sino?
ni
Sino?
ano. Yeah. So yung time that I started dating Phoebe, he was telling me, I'm gonna have to message her.
Yeah, but I didn't get
Gusto
to.
ko yung mukha ni Phoebe.
But I didn't get to. Yeah.
Sabi ko, you don't have to. No,
Yeah.
I must. She's my friend. I'm like, oh, you don't have to.
I
So
didn't
yung
to.
time
I
na
didn't
yun,
get to.
Pero all is forgiven. Everybody has moved on.
Paano naman kasi kung matagal mo na rin siyang dating history, di ba? Gets mo? So,
Pero I was, nung time nga na yun, at that time. Ngayon kasi I'm a lot wiser now and more emotionally stable. Na pag mga ganun factor, I didn't ask. Okay. As long as, the history, the past is past.
oo.
I don't wanna,
Yeah.
go through history. Kasi hindi kayo talaga nag-drink. Ako
Great.
lang.
Yeah. No, I don't, ano.
Okay.
Wala kaming
I
experience.
don't relate.
Wow, you don't relate? Lilinis yung dalawa.
Ngayon nga lang ako nag-pass eh. Never have I ever felt guilty after being intimate.
Oh, wow, the guilt feeling?
Oy,
After being intimate,
Yeah.
Parang,
I felt that.
parang
I felt that.
Guilty.
can I not answer? Can I?
Hindi. Bawal mag-pass.
You can answer.
No, I don't want to answer.
You can answer. Go. I will let you. Before I say I do, go. Yan, no?
Para alam mo na lahat.
Oo. Magkalatagan na tayo
Go
dito.
na, kayo na muna.
Ikaw na, go.
Si Shireen, bumunot eh.
Sherry.
Bato-bato, pink.
Ikaw, sige, Sherry, go.
Ako, siguro, nung time na something happened between me and my friend. And then, I felt guilty kasi I was just really, really drunk. And then, something happened to us. Hindi naman talaga kami parehong tropa lang talaga yung tingin ko sa kanya. I mean, just friends.
Ano
And
yun?
then-
Parang pity sex.
Parang ganun. Pero, wala rin. Parang hindi rin siya naging okay.
So,
Kasi
ginawa mo lang siyang pulutan? Parang gano'n?
parang ganun.
Parang,
Oo.
sige na nga,
Oo,
diyan ka
oo.
eh.
Yeah, diyan
Parang
ka na.
chicharon bulaklak. Uy, sige, tikman ko. Ganun.
Laman tiyan din
Lamang
to.
yun, oo.
Laman tiyan din.
Tapos biglang,
Yun na
ganun.
nagsisi ka.
So, nagsisi ako. I felt
Friends pa rin
guilty.
kayo ngayon.
Oo naman. Actually, masaging close kami after nun.
They switch
kasi,
DNA.
kasi doon namin nalaman na parang, hindi tayo swak.
Ah.
Ganon.
Okay.
And then I met her, his girlfriend after. And then I became best friends with
Does the girlfriend know?
the girlfriend. Oo naman. The
Oh
girlfriend
my
is so
gosh.
nice also and understanding. So parang guilt feeling lang na, yeah.
Ako nung time na yon, medyo lumaki siya. Tapos ako,
Anong lumaki?
like lumaki yung...
Sama-sama mo.
I mean, lumaki yung the girl
Body
that I was
shaming.
with. Ako naman. No, I'm just saying.
Ala.
Guilt nga, di ba? Guilt.
Ah, okay.
So, at my end kasi, I was big and then I lost the weight. I was preparing for competition. Tapos there's a time that I was so tired from training and everything. And then I think we were making love at the time. Katulog ako. As in, nakatulog ako. As in, tulog.
OMG, Rico! Habang
then-
nakapatong siya sa'yo?
And then,
Siya yung nakapatong.
And then,
Siya yung nakapatong.
Nagkakaisa na ang dalawang diva artist na to, Yeah. So nakatulog ako.
Sabi ni Rico,
I fell asleep. As in, I fell asleep. Tapos, inaway niya ako.
Oo naman. Sasampalin
Sabi
kita,
niya,
no?
sabi niya, hindi na ba ako interesting sa'yo? Siguro may iba ka, no? Tapos parang na-guilty ako na parang, you know what, I just break up with, you know. So, I pag-break ako, time na yun.
At that moment, hindi
No.
naman.
Hinintay ko.
Habang tulog siya.
Hinintay ko yung kasi a few days yun before my birthday.
Habang tulog siya.
So,
Nakipag-break up.
tuwan-tuwa ka.
Nakakalasing to ah.
Tuwan-tuwa siya. In fairness, hindi ako inaaway. Hindi ako inaaway.
Chill lang tayo.
Yeah, pero nung time na yun, talagang I really waited for my birthday.
Ayoko na. Break up.
I'm just saying.
Ayoko na break na tayo.
Hindi, pero kasi tinanong niya nga ako, ano gusto ko sa birthday ko? Sabi ko, I want you to be happy and you're not happy with me. Gano'n.
Pero hindi na kayo nagme-make love nito.
No.
Okay.
And then we broke it up.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Akala ko habang natutulog ka, habang nagbe-break. Ayoko na. Okay na tayo.
Last one ako.
I want you to be happy.
Kwento mo yun sa'yo.
Ayun sa akin.
Kwento. Ito. Last one ako. Ano yun? Go.
Hindi wala.
I'm allowing you to share the story before I say I do. This is your chance. Is there anything that we need to know?
Hindi wala. I felt guilty lang kasi
Na?
we were supposed to be broken up at the time.
And then something happened pa
Oo.
rin. Okay.
Nandun na ako sa buhay mo.
Wala.
Ay, syempre, ito talaga. Gumaganti.
Malay mo, di ba?
Sama mo na naman sarili mo sa usapan.
May gumagante.
Last forum na to, di ba?
May gumaganti.
Alright, last one. Never have I ever had a soft or hard lunch only visible to close friends.
Ano?
Soft lunch or hard lunch?
Soft or hard? Iba yung naiisip ko sa question.
Ako soft lunch ako dito. Actually, yeah, we did have a soft lunch.
Oh,
Yeah.
visible to
Cheers,
close
cheers,
friends.
cheers,
Oo nga
cheers.
pala.
We had a soft lunch
Ano?
on our first
Oh,
date.
yung kunwari.
Wait lang, di ko na-gets.
Kunwari mag-out kami na or something. Tapos, to close friends lang.
Okay.
Oh, no. Wala kang pinapakita sa amin na soft lunch. Wala kang pinopost na no?
Wala pa eh.
Oh,
Ano. Pag nag-asawa na ako,
Ring na lang. ganun.
magsa-soft launch din ako. On a hard... Iba?
On a hard format.
Soft launch on a very hard
Format.
Yeah.
Hindi yung atin kasi that applies to us kasi we were dating pa lang, like weeks pa lang. And then my best friend had her wedding in Ilocos. So, ako kasi ninth wheel ako lagi.
Yun yung unang time na nakita ko si Rico na, uy, wow, ang friendly ko. Bumiyahe. Nag-absent.
Chicks
Na hindi talaga siya nag-a-absent sa work niya kahit anong mangyari. Oo.
Chicks eh. Na tsaka nung when we were first went out on a date, nag-post siya ng, sabi ko, post yung photo. Sabi mo, I made you discover life again.
What? Inutusan?
Tutusan niya ako.
Dami nag-DM sa akin nun. Uy, ingatan mo yun, oh. Ingatan mo yun. Uy, kakaiba.
Ako naman, like, I could care less about what the other person says on social media. So I'm like, okay, game.
Ako naman, happiness.
Uy.
So, diba? Tignan mo naman.
Kayong dalawa.
Being happy. Okay.
Lagi na lang
And
akong
that's
ano
it.
dito ah.
Yeah.
That's
Okay,
it
okay.
for Never Have I Ever.
Cheers!
We all had a smooth and chill life. And,
Yes.
we move forward from there.
Love life.
Thank you.
Okay, so to close the show, parang ano bang mga realizations natin about like yung kaninang pinag-uusapan natin? Ako probably with the parent side, kung hindi sila approve sa dinedate mo, that's okay.
I-push mo pa rin.
Pwede mo siyang, yeah, I mean, it could go two ways.
Tikman mo pa din.
Diba? You could either go for it and then see where the crumbs will fall, or listen to your parents and then just see where that goes then. Parang,
Ako kasi
it's up to you.
nag-rebelde ako pag ganun.
It's
Ako,
up to
alam
you.
mo, rebelde ako. Pero you know what? After what happened to me at the time, I realized, especially your mom, if your mom feels like hindi talaga para sa'yo yun, kasi they feel the energy eh. Don't.
Yeah.
Kasi there's a reason why our parents are telling us how they feel, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, isipin mo, buti na lang buhay pa ako ngayon, di ba? So, I should have listened to my mom the first time she told me na hindi okay yung feeling ko dyan sa taong yan, ganun. So, dapat pinakinggan ko na siya agad.
Ako rin pag family members, when they agree with who you're dating, it flows better.
Yeah.
You have a happier
True.
time. Especially when I met Phoebe and then my whole family was Boto, it was a different energy. Even my brother and her are like best friends. My brother arrives in the Philippines. I didn't even know he was here. She didn't tell me. I'm like, what the hell are you doing here?
surprise
You know?
kasi.
Yeah, family would always want the best for you.
Yeah.
So ako ang advice I could give you guys, again, I always say this on our episodes, how you meet them is how you will lose them.
Yeah.
So if you met through an app, when you fight, the first thing they will do is go to the app. They're not gonna work it out. But if you meet at the gym, it's like, kami.
They go back to the gym.
They go back to the gym.
Yeah, sa
Payami.
Phoebe, patayo ako ng gym. Ay,
wow.
Gym ka ba?
Grabe.
Patayo tayo ng gym. Di ba? So,
Ano
ganun.
pang pinatayo mo, Rico?
Rebulto. No, but then that's it. That's for me. That's. But again, it's all up to you. It is your happiness. You
Yeah.
only live life once. 100 years is already given. So it's up to you. You want it chillin', you
Yeah.
want it smooth, or you want it rough on your throat. It's just all up to you.
I like it
Yeah.
smooth
Yeah.
and chill on my throat.
Yeah. how come when you say it, it just becomes like
Something else.
quack, quack, quack.
It's so soft, but I like it rough on my throat. Cheers.
So there you go. That is the show. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share this. Hopefully you pick up a thing or two, especially with dating somebody. When
Yeah.
you're getting to know somebody. Tag a friend that you want to get to know. Or you could tag the ones that was part of this story.
That are
and-
stubborn.
Yeah. And
Parang
do
ako yung
share.
itatag ng lahat ng kaibigan ko dyan.
It's as simple as that. Thank you guys very much for watching. My name is Rico Robles.
I'm Cherie.
I'm Phoebe Walker.
And this is
Too Hot for Podcast.
So cheers, everybody. Cheers. Uy, na-miss ko yung pag-cheers. Thank you. The streak ends today.